Alright guys, remember last time we worked on the switch statement in which we said that if we enter a number, it will give us a different one each time we enter 1, 2, or 3, or if we don't enter either one of them, it will just display the default. So today we're going to learn something new, so let's delete all of this. And today we're going to be learning the do while loop. And what this does is that it runs through this code once before it gives a decision to repeat it over and over again. So with this, I have a feeling I'm going to make it two parts because I'm going to be making a little calculator with you. So this is easy and works because I did it before. So let's start. First, we want to declare all our variables as usual. So we do double. And what double is that it just means that it can go further than what float can. Like float can go to 10 to the 30th power while double can go to 10 to the 308th power. So it's kind of useful. So let's do double num1 because we're going to be entering two numbers. So let's do another one. 1, 2. Now, I'm not sure, but I'm going to go over again. We can store any math inside of another variable. So what we're going to do is that we're going to declare a variable that will hold the result of whatever these two comes to. And now we want to NC because I typed in NC because that's going to see what the person wants to do with the multiply, divide, add, and subtract. So let's begin. Do while always starts with do, then open brackets. Now we start our coding. And now what we do is that we want to display some code before it gives the decision. So let's do that. So count. Let's move this over. Enter your first number. And now we'll do store inside of num1. Then we'll do count again to ask for the second number. Sim num2. Now we want to ask the person to multiply, divide, whatever. So let's output that. Let's do 1 multiply. And now if you don't want to go to a new line by just doing this and you just want to keep into the same line, you can just do this, the backslash and n. This means go to a new line. It means the same thing as NL, just usable within the statement. So multiply, divide, sorry. Subtraction. Let's end that line. And this is where the C comes in, because we're gonna do that. So let's insert to C. Now with the calculator, I wanna add a switch because we wanna see if the person enters this, do the multiply. If the person enters 2, do the divide. So let's do that. switch, and we want to check C, so let's start that. Case 1. If you don't know what I'm doing with switch, go back to my tutorial before this that explains what switch is. Now we want to multiply, and this is where the result variable comes in, because here we're going to do result equals num1 times num2. And it's pretty basic because you can tell that you're just multiplying them. So count num1 plus num2 equals what is it? Result. And now you want to break from it. Let's just copy this. Control V. 2. Divide. No.